Growing your business online across multiple marketplaces requires intuitive systems that will allow your business to work efficiently. Our software makes your job easier listing and managing eBay orders, as well as other marketplaces, increasing your sales opportunities. Ask yourself this: do you want to sell more products? Are you selling on multiple marketplaces? Am I running my business efficiently? AdLister is here to help you grow your business online. You are able to post your products onto multiple marketplaces, and we have solutions to help you manage orders, stock control, and even a highly efficient warehouse picking solution with courier label generation. With AdLister, you do not need to log into eBay or any other marketplaces. Simply use the online AdLister interface for your daily PIM. What is a PIM? A PIM is a system that collects, maintains, and processes product data, as well as for distributing information to different output channels or media. We are proud to have many of the top 500 eBay sellers using our software, with some sellers with over 2 million products. $1.3 billion was processed through our systems last year across multiple marketplaces. We support large and small customers. We even have the largest tire distributor in America with over 250,000 products across 280 warehouses. We are fully integrated to eBay incentives and fully support eBay videos, fulfillment, and pay-per-click advertising directly within our interface. The moment a new feature is available on eBay, you can rest assured we will build it so you will be one of the first on eBay with the new features. AdLister also has the ability to work with supplier data feeds. We integrate with leading suppliers such as Toolbank, Sealy, Bond Tires, Oxford Products, Feradex, and Thule. You can select the items you require or import the entire catalog. The process just takes a few seconds to eBay. Scared by the numbers and features? Don't be. We have purpose-built systems for sellers, allowing you to work very efficiently. And if you need help, our dedicated support staff are ready to help and only a phone call away. AdLister enables you to increase your sales with eBay advertising. We take this one step further with having eye-catching listing templates to promote your product listings. Choose from over 200 professional templates, create your own, or ask us to perform a custom design to match your website. Our eBay template builder is simple to use with drag-and-drop features. A draft preview is available to review your design work on the mobile or desktop before committing your listings to eBay. AdLister's unique software allows you to pick a template for multiple products and assign it to your products in seconds, enabling you to create your store identity, as well as enabling you to easily cross-sell or upsell other products. You can change the design every day or seasonally if you want to create templates for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas. Bulk heading your platform listings is easy with AdLister. Multiple select the eBay listings you want to edit and choose the options you want to update from the menu. You can update your postage prices, stocks, and product prices in seconds. There are even nice features where you can apply a percentage increase to your prices quickly. AdLister provides the user with the facility to add multiple product images to each listing, as well as video, to ensure your customer gets a feel and touch approach to what you are selling, a massive benefit in online selling. AdLister was developed for all types of eBay sellers from fashion, home and beauty, DIY, tools, electronics, and even car parts, with the full TechDoc integration for make, model, and year, ensuring listing items on eBay is both easy and fast. We recently had the pleasure of visiting one of our customers, ViaParcel, as we were keen to see how they were working efficiently with our systems. Just take a look at this next video of how fast the courier label is booked on the courier and then printed. AdLister is also available on your mobile. Download the AdLister app for either the Android or iOS. Have alerts when an item is low on stock or if an automated item has errored. In the past few months, we've completed 3 exciting new features. Some of them are not even available directly on eBay until launched initially on AdLister, meaning you get priority. Number 1. the inclusion of videos. Enhance your eBay listing with a video that can either detail how to install the product you are selling, to showing what to wear with the product if it's a fashion item, or to promote your business by showing a video of your premises. To use this feature, simply upload a video using the AdLister interface and then wait for the video to be approved by eBay. This typically takes less than 24 hours for approval. Once approved, you can assign the video to one or more of your products. It's as simple as that. The second new initiative is the inclusion of eBay promoted listings. Sellers can boost the eBay listings with either a pay-per-click or pay-per-sale advertising campaign. It's your choice. The pay-per-click offers higher visibility, but you will need to keep control on the campaign for best results. We can help you manage these campaigns too, for an extra cost. Just speak to our AdLister support team. Another great exciting feature is eBay Fulfillment by Orange Connects. Beat your competitors by having later cutoff times for same-day dispatch by using our eBay Fulfillment by Orange Connects add-on. This feature allows you to choose your products for sending to their warehouse whilst retaining a set quantity on eBay, so you do not lose out on any potential sales whilst the items are in transit. We can combine your eBay and other marketplace orders to ensure your stocks are updated, reports your top-selling items, highlight products that are not selling and costing you money. We provide tablet software called Dispatch. This software is allocated to each packer's workstation, head height, so the printed invoice can be scanned and the courier label generated automatically after reading the barcode as shown earlier in the video. In addition to our own software, we are able to offer any complimentary service for your business, from a new logo, website design, and development to search engine optimization services. We are really here to help your business grow to its full potential. Are you serious about saving time and money, as well as increasing sales with your online business? Then call AdLister team today to arrange a demo. We are offering a 20% discount off the AdLister fee for all eBay Open members.